Dear valued watcher of this video,
Melos Studio, Melos gets listed on KuCoin. World premiere. KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Melos Studio, Melos will be available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair is Melos, USDT. Melos Studio is an innovative Web3 music platform introducing music industry to new evolution where music creators,
co-creators or recreators can all benefit from their inspirations via Melos NFT DNA tree,
which in the same way it allows a new generation of fans economy. Melos also introduces Metis AI workshop tool that lowers the barrier of entry for music creation. All links in description.
Subscribe for the latest news every day.
We're happy to help. With best regards, the ALTCOINERZ team.